Yesterday, I did this same technique with one of my clients, and to her surprise, she broke her many years old overthinking pattern in just few minutes. I'm going to share the same scientifically proven technique with you in this video. So watch till the end. The key is interrupt the thought, not just the feeling. Have you ever found yourself spiraling down, overthinking, stressing out, emotionally overwhelmed? And no matter how much you try to calm down, it only gets worse. That's not you failing, that's just your nervous system caught in a loop. In NLP, we call this a neurological pattern, a predictable and repeated pathway in your brain. You have a thought, it triggers a feeling, that feeling creates a reaction, and that reaction re-triggers the same thought. Round and round you go. But there is a hack. It's called a pattern interrupt. It's exactly what it sounds like. An intentional disruption of that loop. It works because the brain loves predictability, but it learns through surprise. Here is what it looks like in real life. Let's say, for example, you are spiraling down with self-doubt before an important call or a presentation. Your breathing is shallow, your thoughts are racing, and you are imagining the worst. Now, instead of sitting in it, you interrupt. Stand up fast, shake your body, snap your fingers, clap loudly, say something absurd like yellow umbrella or pink elephant. Sounds silly, right? Good, because silly breaks the circuit. It creates a pattern interrupt. Why does it work? Because your subconscious is a pattern following machine. It reacts to energy, movement, and unexpected stimuli. So when you jolt your system with something random, it shakes up. It temporarily dislodges the loop. That gives you space to reset and redirect. Here is the basic formula. Step number 1, notice the loop, meaning become aware of that thought or that emotion which is spiraling down. Step number 2, interrupt it fast. Use sound, movement, or even exaggerated facial expressions. Step number 3, try deep breathing. This tells your nervous system we are safe now. Step number 4, insert a new state. Ask yourself, what do I want to feel now? Then choose that and embody it. This isn't just mental trickery. It's how your brain works. When repeated enough, pattern interrupts becomes the second nature. Your system learns to stop reinforcing the old neural path and begins strengthening a new one. You can also create anchors after an interrupt, like saying a powerful affirmation or visualizing a desired outcome. This helps the brain associate the new emotion with the new behavior. I'm sharing some examples of quick interrupts to ease your application process. Jump up and say yes with power. Splash cold water on your face. Do 10 jumping jacks. Say a word that makes you laugh. Spin around in place. Over time, your brain learns this is what we do when we feel that old way. And that is real freedom. You are no longer a prisoner of your automatic patterns now. You are in control of your state. You are not waiting for outside motivation anymore. You are creating momentum within. Remember, you don't fix a broken loop by thinking harder. You fix it by breaking it. You interrupt it and then you rewire it with something empowering new. In just 5 seconds, you can shift from panic to presence. If you like this video, do share with others. Thank you.